Hi everybody and welcome to Hardest Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I can easily customize the gestures in your JLAB Rewind Retro 2 device. This is the official JLAB application, and in this application we can tap button controls. Here, as you can see, we have one tap, two taps, three taps and long press. We can tap on each and change. Here we have switch EQ, Google/Siri, volume down, volume up, play and pause, next track, etc. And we can easily manage all these, as you can see, things. If we change something and we want to bring this back, we have to tap reset to default. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.